Who's coming today after school? We got free snacks, we got free hours, we got games, prizes, everything you could ever want in your entire life. Come after school. I'm going to give you flyers again. You got to come. I need y'all to come. Don't tell me you got to go do something else. Come to tutoring. All right? So, you make sure you turn in 321, solving quadratics by quadratic formula, please. Wait a minute. Bro. Sorry, 1 second. Okay. Well, here we go. So, we're supposed to have a test next Tuesday. So we're getting this quiz out of the way. We're gonna learn a few more things, get some more practice, review, and test. Sound good? But let's get this quiz out of the way. 4 questions, just like this warm-up. Pay attention. Here we go. What is the positive solution? Now, does everyone see this word positive? That means if you have 2 solutions, they only want the positive solution. 1 answer, even if there's 2, give them only the positive. Now, there's a couple ways you can solve this. You could factor it, you could graph it, you could use that quadratic formula. Is everyone looking right here? Look. Hey. The easiest way is to graph it and look at the x-intercepts. So that's what I'm going to show you on these warm-ups, okay? Give you the straightforward way. Like if I was taking the STAR test, I'd be like, look, that one's pretty straightforward. I'm going to do that, okay? So x squared plus 7x minus 30. Let's go ahead and try to pull that up here. X squared, plus 7x minus 30. Now look, I see 2 solutions here in green, right? I see this one and this one. Should I write both of them? No, because it says what is the positive solution. Which one's positive? Not negative 10, positive 3. Do you see how to find solutions? You graph it. You can write this down under warm-up. Every day. It's the first folder. Move in. Positive is only the positive. Okay, now. Can you help him get that first folder, the warm-up sheet? Okay, never mind, you got it. Very good. All right, the second one here. Now, if I want to find the solution, it has to equal what? It always has to equal 0. Now look, the first one didn't equal 0, but it didn't equal anything. There was no equal sign, which is fine. Just graph it. But if you have an equal sign and there's no 0, you're going to have to do the opposites to get everything on the right side to the left side. What's the opposite of a positive 24x? Minus 24x. What's the opposite of a minus 48? Plus 48. If I do it on this side, I'm going to do it on the other side. Minus 24x plus 48. So on the right side, again, they canceled out. So now it equals 0. That's what I wanted. On the left side, I need to write the x squared first, which is this one, 3x squared. Then the x term, minus 24x. Then the constant number by itself, plus 48. Okay? Now I have a quadratic equals 0. So now I can graph it. And I'm only going to graph this. The variable, the letter, has to be x. And you cannot type equals 0 or it won't graph. So I'm going to graph 3x squared minus 24x plus 48. Okay, and when I do that, I see it touches, again, the x-axis at 1 point, 4, 0. So my solution is 4. x equals 4, 4 comma 0, or bracket 4, right? So the next one on the bottom left, what is a solution set? Again, actually for these last two, look at the bottom. Neither of these equals 0. What do you have to do? Get it equal to 0, right? So on this one, I need to get rid of a positive 9x. So it's minus 9x here, minus 9x here. 9x's cancel, so it equals 0. X squared goes first, 2x squared. X goes next, minus 9x. Constant number by itself, minus 7. Do you see that I do the opposite and I put it in order? Then I go to my graph. 2x squared minus 9x minus 7. I get these two solutions. They're kind of ugly, but it's fine. Okay. So I'm going to use a bracket. Bracket is a solution set. And then 5.176. You can actually just put the x values in brackets. That's the solution set, okay? Last one, does it equal 0? No. What do I need to do? Get rid of the 27. It's positive, so I'm going to subtract 27, subtract 27. On the right side, it equals 0. Now, I know you don't normally see it weird like this, so you don't actually have to like do anything, just write it. 3x plus 6 squared, and then put the minus 27 after it. Okay. You don't really have to simplify it. You can, but like just typing that in will work. 3x plus 6 squared minus 27. 3x plus 6 squared minus 27. And it gives me two solutions. I click them on the x-axis, -9, -3, -9, -3. That's it. Can you do this? 4 questions. Make sure they're equal 0, graph them. What's the x-intercept? That's the solution, okay? Let me reemphasize this again. Come after school to tutoring. Get hours, get snacks, get ready for your test, okay? Please. So make sure you got your Chromebook on your desk. Make sure you're logged in. Go to Aware Online Testing in the Launchpad, and we're going to start this quiz. Here we go.